Honorable jury members and my dynamic fellow parliamentarians. Good afternoon. My name is Anurag Singh and today I stand before you with a vision that can redefine India's democracy. That's one nation, one election, paving the way for Viksit Bharat. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine this. Every year, elections are held somewhere in India. Campaign, chaos and crores spent and governance put on pause. In the last decade, we have had over 100 state and national elections. Ladies and gentlemen, that's not democracy thriving, it's democracy tiring. Sardar Patel united 562 princely states into one India. Today we must unite our elections to honor his dreams. Imagine a nation where elections don't disrupt development and policies are framed with a long-term vision, not for the short-term political gains. But the question arises, why does India need one nation, one election? According to a report, rupees 1.35 lakh crore was spent in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. That's enough to construct 60 IITs to empower youth. Different-year election every few months causes voter fatigue, especially among the youth and the migrant labor. According to the Election Commission of India, the 2019 Lok Sabha election saw a voter turnout of 67.4%, but that drops to an average of 50% in the state assembly election. One nation, one election will boost the voter turnout by turning the election into one grand democratic festival, ladies and gentlemen. But let's face it, implementation of one nation, one election will be a challenging task, but not an impossible one. The critics also argue that one nation, one election will favor the national parties over the regional parties. But yet, from 1951 to 67, simultaneous elections were held successfully without weakening the regional representation. The Ramnath Kovind Committee and the also high-level committees have stated that one nation, one election will make the regional parties think nationally and the national parties think regionally. And a single election cycle every 5 years will provide lesser opportunities to the foreign powers to exploit our democracy. The fight for one nation, one election is a stand against those who seek to divide India on the basis of religion, region, language and caste. Ladies and gentlemen, one nation, one election isn't just about logistics. It's about unity, it's about progress, it's about power to the people. We are the generation of bold ideas and big dreams. Let's demand for a system that matches our energy. One vote, one time, and one unstoppable India. Let's demand for a nation that has democracy not as a duty, but as a celebration of a Viksit Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Maa Bharati.
Well said, Anurag.